Alright, you crashed your car. Do you know where you're at? Okay.
County.
Where you at?
Okay, we're gonna make this,
What's your name, dude? Jose, what's your last name? Okay. You got ID on you, man?
County
Okay.
38.
Where's that at?
Or, Command 3811.
Where's your ID at?
Come out Pride in the rook. Park on Pride.
Jose, I'm gonna stay with you, man. Is this your van? Get the registration. You want to come out of your car? Yep. Okay, well, let's get you out of these and we'll do.
County 72 for a phone call. County 4041.
Alright, you coming out? Yeah. Alright, come on out.
On standby station.
You said you're not hurt? Alright.
610-264.
Step out.
2323. 610-263.
You gotta come out, man.
Well, that's why he's not hurt. Yeah, point, yeah.
Okay, you gotta come out of your car, man, because we gotta get your car out of the road. Just stand over on the side there. We'll get it. Yep, that's okay.
He pushed up that fucking back gate.
Jose, you gotta step out of your car so we can get your car off the road. Okay? Alright. Ready to step out? Yep. Alright, come on. Let's go. Use your 2 feet. Don't hurt. Step out.
They're gonna get him out. Once they get him out, we'll do a battery disconnect on it, and then we'll take it to a little bit of speed dry, not a whole lot. They got 20 tow it.